morning, dear students. Welcome to the online class. We are doing arithmetic mean step deviation method. Today we are going to do bit different question where we are going to find missing frequencies. Okay, so see, missing frequency, question from missing frequency. Fine, let us do it. So question is like this: arithmetic mean of the following distribution is 67.45 kg. So in this particular question they have given x bar. Usually what we do, we find x bar. Okay, but in this question x bar is given, mean is given, you are asked to find something different. What? Missing frequency. So arithmetic mean is 67.45. Find f3. Find f3. You are asked to find what? f3. So other information are like this: weight and frequency. So weights are given 60 to 62, frequency is 15. Okay, 63 to 65, frequency is 54. 66 to 68, f3, frequency is missing, which you are going to find here. Okay, so 69 to 71, 81, of 72 to 74 weight, 24 frequency. So from this particular information you are going to find f3 now. So how are you going to find? Let us do it. Solution: calculation of missing frequency, of course. Okay, so you know the formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation of fd dash into summation of f into I. This is step deviation formula, as you know that. Okay, so we need a assume mean. Okay, and we'll do that. Okay, first you have to draw a table and we have to copy this weight and frequency, as you all know that. Okay, in first column we are going to copy this particular weight, and second column we are going to copy frequencies. I did like this only. So then we have to find mid value. Mid value, of course, this 60 plus 62 divided by 2. Okay, it will be 122 divided by 2. It will be 61 is your mid value for first series. Okay, then the second 63 65 plus divided by 2, it will be 64. Third 67, so mid values are 70 73. This is how you are going to find mid value. Then d, of course you have to find d. D is what? X minus a, you already know that. So a you have to assume. Let us assume from here anyone. Okay, I have assumed 67 is your assume mean. So 67 your assume mean. Okay, so 67 is, since assume mean, you have to find d in every thing. So 61 minus 67, it will be minus 6. Okay, first. Second one is 64 minus 67, 67 is minus 3. 67 minus 67, 0. 70 minus 67, 3. 73 minus 67, 6. Hope you understood this. Then what? D dash. D dash is what? D divided by I. I is what? Common factor. So from this thing you have to find see common factor. See 61, 64. So all you can see 3. There is a difference of 3. So 3 is common factor. Okay. Even you can see from here or you can see from here. The common factor is 3. So I have written I is equal to 3. Okay. So you got this. So I. So d dash is equal to d divided by first d is 6. When you divide by 3, it will be minus 2. Minus 3 divided by 3, it will be 1. 0 divided by 3, 0. 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay, 6 divided by 3, 2. Okay, then fd dash. Okay, after finding d dash, you have to find fd dash. So f and d dash. 15 minus 2, 15 into minus 2, 30, minus 30. Okay, 54 into minus 1, minus 54. Like this you have to find fd dash. Okay, then you have to total it. When total it, it will be f. You have to total it. When you total it, it will be 174 plus f3 is also there. So you have to add this 174 plus f3. 174 was f3. Okay. Then you no need to add this. No need to total it. No need to total it. You straight away total fd dash. When you total it plus minus, it will be 45. Okay, 45. So you got all the information. Put this information in your formula. So in formula we are going to put, okay, so x bar is given now 67.45. I am writing there 67.45 is your x bar, is equal to a is what? A is 67 plus fd dash is 45 divided by summation of f is what? 174 plus f3. 174 plus f3 is your this thing, summation of f, into I is 3. Hope you understood this. Okay. Now what you have to do is bring this in another side. 67.45 minus 67 is equal to 45 into 3. 45 into 3, 135 divided by 174 plus f3. Okay. 174 plus f3. When you deduct this from here, it will be 0.45 is equal to 135 divided by 174 plus f3. Okay. Now I am writing this here. Okay. So you cross multiply now. 174 into 0.45. Okay. 174 into 0.45 is equal to 78.3. Okay, cross multiplication, plus f3 into 0.45 is equal to 0.45 f3 is equal to 135. Okay, 135. You hope you are understanding. Now you keep this 0.45 f3 as it is, and 135 minus, take this in the another side, 78.3. Okay, so 0.45 f3 is equal to, when you deduct 135 minus 78.3, it will be how much? 135 minus 78.3, it will be 56.7. So f3 is equal to 56.7 divided by, take this 45.45 in downside, so 0.45. When you deduct 56.7 by 0.45, it will be 126. So f3 is equal to 126. So this is how you found f3, missing frequency. Okay, so sometimes they ask you to find what? Missing frequency. At the time you have to do like this. So you found f3. Thank you very much.